Hi everybody, I'm out at the hangar today. I know it's been a while. What I've been doing is I've been putting together my ballistic recovery system. So what I've done so far is I've got the emergency handle mounted. I've got the charge installed in the rocket tube. And all I got left to do is get my, what does Dennis call these? The bridles. Get the bridles set up. So I got this on. All I need is the master bridle, which, let me get around to the other side. The master bridle will attach on this quick link, come over this strap here, down along this side. It will come around and go along the top of the trailing edge wing envelope seam, over the U bracket for the upper boom tube, back around, and then underneath this trailing edge. Then it goes, turns down and goes onto this tube here. Then it gets doubled back a couple times and attached to this bridle. So when the chute deploys, the chute will come out here. It'll shoot right underneath the wing. So let me show you. It'll shoot right underneath the wing, and as it does, it will bring the bridle and it will untie the bridle, take the bridle, and it'll rip all the wire cable ties underneath here, and it will break loose. And it'll come back through, and then it will deploy up. That's the principle. So all I need to do is get my main cable bridle mounted. Hopefully I'm not covering the microphone like I've done before. Yeah, and get that cable bridle mounted and all set up, and then we're done with the BRS system. Then all I have to do is get my auxiliary battery and the diode set up with a switch over to my dash or someplace close where I can reach it. This way, if my main fuel pump goes out, I can activate fuel pump 2 on an independent redundant battery system. So this way there won't be any issues. Okay, I have made some progress. Okay, what I need to make one more hole right in here and make that a little tighter, and then I need to cinch all these down and then go around and then down that down tube. So hey everybody, I'm back. I pretty much got it done. I don't know how well you can see it, but this is all cable tied. This is part of the bridle that leads to the chute. It has to come out from the top, go along here, then go along the top, go around the U bracket, back underneath, back all the way back here, and then take a bend and then go down here and get hooked up to the parachute pack. But it's pretty much done. Parachute pack, rocket tube, that's connected. This bridle is connected to the main bridle that goes to the top of the plane. So when it fires, it'll fire out of here, straight underneath my wings, and then come back up here, and whatever, if it tears off the flap, it tears off the flap. But then it'll come up and it'll unwind itself up here, tear along this top, and then it'll go up and probably either catch the exhaust. Hopefully the exhaust isn't so hot that it's going to burn, but anyway, that's the way it's supposed to bring the dang parachute up. So yeah, the BRS is done. Okay. So that's what's been going on. I've been putting on the BRS, the Ballistic Recovery System. And yeah, they give you a manual, which is basically this one here. And they give you another one, which is this one here. And then they give you a bunch of parts. And they go through the instructions with you, and that's basically how you do it. So what I did is I basically got all the bridle, parachute cord, whatever. Got that all affixed to the trailing edge of my wing and ran it where it was supposed to be run, which is around the U-bracket on the upper boom tube and along the bottom of the seam for the trailing edge, and then back down so that I could get it to the parachute pack. And I'm sorry, I'm doing this really fast, but and then the final is everything gets affixed with cable ties, and then this is your end result here, this one here. So that's what we got. We're done with the Magnum parachute installation. So that's done. Now, in the instructions, there was nothing about this thing. Let me see if I can get you. There was nothing about this thing. Didn't say anything about it. And these are part of the instructions. I got to fill out the warranty, etc. But basically all it gives you is the little lock and key. So I had to ask Dennis because I didn't see anything in here. I'm like, what is this thing? Well, it turns out if you don't want to use the lock and key, you can use a push button pin. And there's a ball bearing in the very end of it. And this is how it works. You depress this, then pull it off. Put it inside your handle. Instead of the lock and the key, this is all you use. And this is if you have it hangered and you're going from your hangar out for a flight, then come back to the hangar, you don't need to put the lock on it. So this makes it more convenient, especially if you're keeping it in your hangar. But if you're bringing the plane to other airports, municipal airports, local airports, whatever, and you're going to park the plane, tie it down, leave it, I would bring the lock and the key and make sure that that handle is locked. But yeah, I didn't know what it was. Oh, by the way, I'll be right back. Figured I'd put on my Plane Savers hat, and I don't know if you guys noticed my Buffalo Airways Northwestern Territories Canada shirt, but I have been an avid fan of Plane Savers. And before that, I was a really big fan of the Ice Pilots, and I love the McBryans, Rod, Mikey, and Big Joe. And so when Mikey decided he was going to do Plane Savers, I decided that I'm a plane saver because I have a 1971 Grumman Yankee, which makes me a restorer. It's over 30 years old, which classifies it as an antique, and that makes me a plane saver. So guess what? We're Plane Savers, Oakdale, California now. But I'm not going to wear this as a rule. This is my Aerolite channel. I told some of you, some of my subscribers, that eventually when I start working on my Grumman, I'm going to have a Grumman vlog, and I'll walk you guys step by step through my restoration of the Grumman. So more than likely I'll probably be wearing this when I'm doing my Grumman, but I'm going to try to keep it clean and pristine until such time that I have to wear it. But just wanted to let you guys know, if any of you guys are fans of the Plane Savers, wasn't that an awesome 156 days or whatever it was to watch a 40-plus-year-old DC-3/C-47 that had been sitting forever, all those years, not moving, and in 156 or 157 days, whatever it was, Mikey and all those people up there in wherever it was, oh God, I know he's from Yellowknife, Montreal, Quebec, yeah. So when 157 days to put that thing back into flight-worthy condition, awesome. So all I can say is, well done, Mikey. I don't know if you're even watching any of my videos, probably not, but definitely kudos to you guys. You guys were all outstanding. Every one of the volunteers was, God, I don't know, so generous. And they had a lot of love. They put a lot of love into it. And you could see it because, man, it came out awesome. Even Stella's painting of the whole entire airplane with a roller. and the other people that helped her. But, man, oh, man. Anyway, I'm going to shut up about that. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because if you don't, you won't get notices that I've put up a new video. So please do me a favor and do that. Hit that notification bell, like and subscribe, and please share this in your social media, wherever that is. And we're trying to get over 1,000 subscribers so that I can give away that Aerolite 103 cap, and then I'll start giving away some more stuff. But yeah, anyway, make a long story short, we're done with the BRS system, finally, and we're about this close to getting her ready to go. And I think they just finished the taxiway. They put some lines on it, so what I'm going to try to do is I'll try to get some video of me. I'll set up the tripod, I'll put the camera out there, and I'll put it on time lapse, and then you can watch me go up, maybe go up and down a couple of times on the new taxiway. And yeah. But until next time, my YouTube family, y'all take care. And don't forget, Plane Savers, Oakdale, California. Don't forget it, because it's coming in the future. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.